Hi, this is Dr. Anto Pravin Singh, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of MBA, Faculty of Management, SRM Ramapuram, Chennai. The topic in which I would like to share my knowledge with you all is nonverbal communication. Before entering into the topic, I would like to highlight Professor Albert Megribin's model of communication, often known as the 7-38-55 rule, recommends that in conveying emotions and attitudes, body language plays 55%, tone of voice plays 38%, and just 7% actual words are used. Here, 7% verbal communication means the words which we speak. 38% vocal communication means the tone of voice, which includes pitch, volume, and speed. 55% non-verbal communication means the facial expressions, gestures, postures, and other body movements. From the model, it is very clear non-verbal communication plays a very important role in communication. So, in this video, I am going to highlight you about non-verbal communication. Before seeing that, let me explain what is communication and non-verbal communication. What is communication? Communication is conveying or exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, or feelings between individuals or groups, often through verbal or non-verbal means. In simple words, passing or exchanging any information or conversation between two or more persons is called as communication. Verbal communication. Verbal communication is a process of conveying information and ideas using spoken or written words, encompassing both oral and written forms of language. Now, coming to the topic, non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication is transmitting messages without words, encompassing things like facial expressions, gestures, body language, and vocal tone, which are crucial for effective communication. Let me explain one by one. Facial expressions. It is a crucial form of non-verbal communication, conveying emotions and intentions, and can include expressions like smiles, frowns, and eye contact, which are vital for understanding social cues and interpreting messages. Some of the examples are anger, sadness, surprise, fear, and happiness. There are different elements or components in facial expressions. Let me explain one by one. Number one, smiling. Without smiling, there should be no conversation and presentation. It indicates friendliness, approval, and positivity. A genuine smile can help build rapport and create a positive atmosphere. Frowning shows disapproval, concern, or confusion. A furrowed brow can indicate that someone is thinking deeply or is displeased. Third one, raised eyebrows. Often signal surprise, curiosity, or skepticism. Raised eyebrows can prompt further explanation or clarification. Finally, eye movements. Rapid eye movements or blinking can indicate nervousness or discomfort, while steady eye contact can show confidence and engagement. This picture gives you a clear understanding about what types of facial expressions can be done while presentation or conversation. Angry, bored, brave, calm, disgust, excited, happy. There's a slight difference between excited and happy. Jealous, joyful, loud, proud, sad, scared, shy, silly, surprised, suspicious, tired, worried, Yummy, that means little naughty. So try at home and apply wherever it is essential. Second one, gestures. Gestures are crucial to non-verbal communication, conveying information, emotions, and intentions through body movements, including hand gestures, facial expressions, and body language. Some key examples are handshakes, nodding, head tilts, shaking head, salute, thumbs up, waving, and pointing. There are also some common gestures which you should know. Let me tell about them. Thumbs up. It is universally recognized positive gesture which indicates approval or agreement. Nodding. It shows agreement, understanding, or encouragement. Nodding can reinforce that you are listening and engaged. Pointing. It directs attention to specific objects or directions. However, pointing can be considered rude in some cultures, so it should be used with caution. Handshakes, a traditional gesture of greeting or agreement. The firmness and duration of a handshake can convey confidence and respect. Among all the gestures, handshakes plays an important role. So it's a picture which shows what are the different types of handshakes are there. The first one is equal handshake, which means both are mutually have a good understanding, good respect, good love, and both are same. Politician handshake, that you are in a need, help, so a promise is given and there's a trust. Tight grabs, it's the third one. You should be careful because one is dominated and other one is suppressed. Informal handshake. Informal handshake is done between friends, loved ones, and colleagues. And the final one is limb handshake. You are not interested, you don't love the deal, so for name shake, you're going to give a handshake. So, my dears, understand the different types of handshakes and give according to them. The third one is eye contact. Eye contact is a crucial form of non-verbal communication that conveys various messages, including respect, interest, sincerity, and even dominance. Still, it is also important to be mindful of cultural differences in its interpretation. Some of the examples are respect, attentiveness, interest, engagement, honesty, trustworthiness, empathy, connection, attraction, intimacy, and dominance. There are also positive and negative eye contacts. So you should be very careful while using eye contact. First, let me see about positive eye contacts. It builds trust. Maintaining eye contact can help build trust and rapport between individuals. Shows engagement. It indicates that you are paying attention and are interested in the conversation. Facilitates feedback. Eye contact allows for the exchange of nonverbal feedback such as nodding or smiling, which can encourage the speaker. Now, coming to negative eye contact, disinterest. Avoiding eye contact can suggest that you are not interested or engaged in the conversation. Dishonesty. Lack of eye contact can be perceived as a sign of dishonesty or evasiveness. Finally, discomfort. Excessive or intense eye contact can make others feel uncomfortable or intimidated. So, dears, be careful while using eye contact. Next one, vocal tone and rhythm. Vocal tone and rhythm are crucial aspects of nonverbal communication, often called paralanguage, which conveys emotions, attitudes, and adding nuance to spoken words beyond the literal meaning. These vocal cues, including pitch, volume, rate, and intonation significantly impact how messages are perceived and interpreted. Some of the examples are tone, rhythm, pitch, and volume. Finally, proxemics. Proxemics is a key aspect of nonverbal communication. It's the study of how people use and perceive physically space in social interaction, influencing how we communicate and interpret messages. Examples: standing farther away from someone signals a lack of closeness or comfort. Allowing someone to enter your personal space can indicate a perceived closeness or trust. The way people arrange themselves in a room, example, who sits where, can also convey power dynamics or social relationships. Coming to conclusion, nonverbal communication is a crucial aspect of effective communication, playing a significant role in conveying emotions, reinforcing verbal messages, and building rapport. By understanding and mastering the various components of nonverbal communication, body language, facial expressions, gestures, eye contact, proxemics, and paralanguage, you can enhance your overall communication skills and build stronger relationships. Thank you.